Now we are going to use this screen printer, printing UV varnish to the glass bottle. Before printing, it's with after UV varnish. Okay, printing. Here is UV varnish. It's a UV ink. It's clear UV ink. Okay, printing. After printing the UV varnish, you can see. Okay. After we use this screen printer, printing the UV varnish to the glass bottle, now we are going to use this hot stamping machine, stamping the gold color to the glass bottle. If you want stamping silver color, you have to install this silver foil to the hot stamping machine. After we printing the UV varnish like this, then use this hot stamping machine stamping the silver color or gold color to the glass bottle. Okay. You can see after stamping the gold color, you can see it's glassy gold. After we use this screen printer printing the UV varnish to the glass bottle, this is UV varnish, the pattern. Then we need to use this hot stamping machine stamping the gold color or silver color to the glass bottle. This is a glass silver foil. If you want stamping gold color, you have to use this gold foil. Okay. After stamping the silver, it's a glassy silver color. You can see.